Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Amitabh Ghosh life and work with question answer analysis part. So after that we take a revision of these questions. So let's start. So here first question is Amitabh Ghosh belong to which country? Options are British, American, African, Indian. So here correct answer is option number D, Indian. Amitabh Ghosh born in India in West Bengal. So he is an Indian writer. Next question. Where was Ghosh born? Options are Kolkata, Hubli, New Delhi, Siliguri. So here correct answer is option number A, Kolkata in West Bengal. Amitabh Ghosh born 11th July 1956 in Kolkata, West Bengal. Occupation writer, nationality Indian, alma mater University of Delhi, got a MA and BA in Oxford University, PhD. Genre belong to historical fiction. Next question. What is the profession of Amitabh Ghosh's spouse Deborah Becker? Options are dancer, author, player, singer. So here correct answer is option number B. Deborah Becker is the author. Deborah Becker, known for best work, written the biography of the life of Laura Riding, Riding. It's a best biography. Next, these are some books written by Amitabh Ghosh. Gun Island, recently published in 2019. So Circle of Reason, it's a debut novel published in 1986. Glass Palace, published in 2000. And The River of the Smoke, published in 2011. It's one of his trilogy work. Next, Amitabh Ghosh, best known for. Options are melodrama, Hindi fiction, English fiction, non-fiction. So here correct answer is option number C, English fiction. Next, these are some notable works. The Circle of Reason, debut novel, 1986. Shadowline, 1988, Sahitya Academy Awards winner novel. Calcutta Chromosome, 1995. Glass Palace, 2000. Hungry Tide in 2004. And these are the trilogy books. Sea of Poppies, River of Smoke, and Flood of Fire. Shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize, Sea of Poppies. Next question. Which novel of Amitabh Ghosh won him the Sahitya Academy Awards? Options: The Circle of Reason, Shadowline, Calcutta Chromosome, In an Antique Line. So here correct answer option number B, The Shadowline, Sahitya Academy Award in 1988. Next, about the Shadowline. Shadowline Sahitya Academy Award for this book. Publication 1998. It's a fiction. And these are some important characters. Tridev, Aila, Thama, and Maidevi. So it's based on the story political economic growth of India through the lives of two families, one Bengali family and one English family. Sea of Poppies is one of his trilogy book published in 2008, belong to genre novel. Main characters Diti, Hukamchand and Kalua. So it's based on the mid-19th century British Indian history with the fictional characters. So based on the opium and slave trades, British global plantations are brought to light in this trilogy work. Next question. In which year Amitabh Ghosh shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize? Options are 2010, 2009, 2012, 2008. So here correct answer is option number D, 2008. Shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize, Sea of Poppies. Next, Diti, the main character from which novel? Options: Sea of Poppies, Hungry Tides, Keep Guessing, Countdowns. So here correct answer is Diti from the Sea of Poppies. So published in 2008. Next, which book is not a part of Ibis trilogy written by Amitabh Ghosh? Options are River of Smoke, Sea of Poppies, Hungry Tides, Flood of Fires. So trilogy work, Hungry Tide is not a trilogy work. The River of Smoke, Sea of Poppies and Flood of Fire is a trilogy work. Sea of Poppies published in 2008, River of Smoke 2011 and Flood of Fire 2015. So Hungry Tide 2004. Next, when was the Hungry Tide published? Options are 2010, 2008, 2004, 2006. So here correct answer is option number C, 2004. Next, setting of the glass palace. Options are Pakistan, China and India, Burma, India and Malaya, Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Nepal and India. So here correct answer is option number B, Burma, India and Malaya. Setting of this glass palace.